Hi guys, recently I have noticed that price scam has been mentioned by many overseas buyers. Scam? Oh my god, I just want to say you still do not know enough about the Chinese brands. We all know that made in China is famous all over the world.
Nice.
With the development of the modernization of the Chinese factory, Chinese brands can keep to reduce the production costs. And what's more, most of the Chinese brands will be exported from factory to end user. That's why you can get such a scam price. If you are worried about the price cannot match the quality, you can search for the Chinese brands you want to buy on Google and do some research on the social media such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. And you will find a lot of user feedback and discussions from various groups of people. In addition, you can also do some research on some well-known e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, AliExpress, and Alibaba. You will find a lot of feedback and comments by the people who have purchased before you buy. So now, you still think a $3,699 Chinese brand embroidery machine is a scam?